Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna. And Jen's missing. She went to visit her grandchildren. Plus she has a broken elbow. Anyway, we send you love, Jan. We miss you. We're here today to do a product review, something we don't do very often, but I have been toying for the last few months with the idea of making my own ice cream. And I've looked and looked at ice cream makers, and I finally decided on this cute little thing called Koji.
It's very cute.
I got it at Target. It was $39. But what I like about it is that it's little and that it's very user-friendly. It's wonderful.
Have you tried it and it's easy?
I have tried it. As a matter of fact, I tried it with my grandchildren. And I'm very excited. I really, really like it. So today, we're going to make ice cream.
What kind?
But we're going to make banana ice cream.
My favorite.
Now,
You didn't know that, did you?
I'm trying to cut back on dairy. So I said, okay, no cream and no milk. But now I realize that I still have the cream cheese. I still have, instead of powdered sugar, I'm using condensed milk. So what the heck, I'm still using dairy.
I've never seen cream cheese like this.
Yeah, it's whipped.
I've just never seen it in a container. Anyway, go on.
Okay,
Continue.
So try it out. Try the Koji out. It's very good. Oops. I'm having a hard time opening these bananas.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I want you to help me peel the bananas.
Oh, I can do
By
all
the
that.
way, this recipe is based on Jamie Oliver's Banana Foodie, I think he called it. It's a cheesecake that is made with bananas and caramel. And I'm not using caramel, I'm using condensed milk, which in effect is caramel that has not been cooked.
Oh.
It's fine.
Did you guys know that?
The bananas have to be very, very ripe, which
They are.
these are. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of condensed milk. Oh, I love condensed milk. Oh, I love condensed milk.
You used to drink it, right?
With Pepsi.
Coke or Pepsi?
I put about 1/4 of a cup of condensed milk, and then I put about 2/3 glass of Pepsi in.
What does it do?
It's like
I mean, Pepsi's
a
sweet.
cross between a milkshake and a float. Remember those root beer floats?
Yeah, but that just sounds
Okay, so I put
sweet.
a 1/3 of a cup
Okay.
of condensed milk, 3 very ripe bananas, and now I'm going to put about 6 ounces of cream cheese.
Now that's whipped. Does it matter if it's whipped or not?
No, I just think
Whipped might do
Whipped
better
is
because
easier.
the regular cream cheese blocks probably are hard to break up.
You know what I'm concerned about? That there's no liquid. I wonder.
But you've done this before.
I've done it, but I've done it with the cream and the milk.
So what are you omitting this time?
Cream and milk.
That's it.
Heavy cream.
So are you substituting something for it though? 'Cause wouldn't you have to?
Bananas and condensed milk. So I'm just
Okay.
going to pulse this.
Oh, smooth as silk.
It's so beautiful. Ta-da!
She's so easy to please.
Now, excuse me for a minute. This ice cream maker has a bowl inside.
Aha.
But the bowl is kept in the freezer, which is why you don't need the salt and the ice and all that.
Oh, you keep the bowl in the freezer to get cold.
Correct.
Okay. Oh.
Ooh, ta-da! Here's the little bowl.
Okay.
That's it.
That was loud. Okay. Don't you put that stuff in it?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh. I'm getting so excited.
Okay. So, as Kathy said, why don't you put it in right now? I did that last time. When I first used it, I said, oh, I'll just put it in and then put in the paddle.
Yeah.
What happened was the mix immediately froze to the walls of the bowl and it wouldn't turn. And I'm like, oh my God, it's broken. But it wasn't.
So what do you do?
I'm going to get rid of this. You pour it in through here.
No, but how long do you wait?
You don't. I'm going to show you.
You just said you wait. You said you poured it in too soon.
I poured it in before I put in the paddle, and it adhered to the wall. So when I put in the paddle wouldn't turn. It didn't have enough room to turn.
Now I understand.
So I've got to do it the way they say, which is for
Imagine
put in the power directions.
Wow.
Who would have thought?
The things you learn.
You want to turn it on? And
Yes, what
all
do I
you
do?
do is turn that little bottle.
Do I open the little spout?
Yes.
This is like that song. I'm a little teapot.
And now we pour this in.
Don't you need a spatula? No, you're never going to get it all off that spatula. And shouldn't you have taken the thing out first?
No. If I take it out, there's a hole.
Yeah, but it won't go through.
I'll hold it, and you can use this spoon.
Do you have a
to
spatula?
scrape it out. I do have a
Yeah, a
spatula.
spatula would get it out better.
Oh, for the love of, I cannot let go of this.
So where is your spatula?
And the drawer right to the left of the stove. Oh my God. I don't use the spatula.
I need to bring her some spatula. She needs a small spatula. I bake a lot, so I know this stuff.
This is coming off.
It's okay. See, it's not going to come out the hole, Anna, because you see why? It's high up.
Okay.
Okay. I bake a little bit differently than my dear friend here. So it's not right or wrong, it's just different.
It is right or wrong. I don't bake.
Right.
This is about as close as I get to baking.
Yeah, see, this is...
See,
It's
this
okay.
is Jamie Oliver's cheesecake
you close
recipe.
it?
And his cheesecake is, after you make the mix, you put it in the freezer. So in effect, it's kind of like an ice cream.
Do I close it?
Yes, please do.
And now what?
Now we're going to let it run for a little while, so we'll be right back. We're just going to clean up while we run the machine.
How long does it run before you put it in the freezer?
About, they say 30 minutes, but this is a lot less.
Okay. All right. Be right back.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like. I'm so excited. Okay,
It looks good. I love banana, and nobody makes banana ice cream anymore. Just as a little note here, if you take some walnuts after it's done, or even while it's going, and put them in that, amazing.
Look how nice and thick it is.
Nice and creamy.
But creamy, yes. Oh, okay, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Oh my
I'm
God,
taking it from the side.
this is heaven.
Heaven. We're in heaven. Okay, ready?
I already tasted.
Ooh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That is delicious. I'm cleaning this. This is awesome.
Cheers.
Easy as pie.
Easy as ice cream.
That's right. Please be sure to check out Koji, the electric freezer bowl ice cream maker. Easy to clean, easy to store. It doesn't take up much room. Not very noisy. Not a lot of salt and ice and all that.
Salt and ice
None
is
of that.
so hard to have to do.
Awesome. Okay.
All right. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mam Talks
And click those share and like buttons below.
and our website www.mamtalks.com. And don't forget to keep embracing getting older with us.
With
Bye.
ice cream. Bye.
Ice cream and us. Bye.